Class, this is my last video for you about grammar. Okay, grammar number 2, wishes if only. Number 1, look at the sentence from the interview. Hey, mister, what interview? This interview. Look at the sentences, okay? Uh, Underline the verb patterns with wish and if only. Then match the sentences to the descriptions. Okay, what do you have to do? Look for wish or if only and the verb, no? The verb pattern. For example, in this case, we have wish, no? Perfect. And if we say the verb pattern, we can say wish they were. Okay? For example, here, if only, no? If only there were, of course, not all this, not there were, until the verb. I wish I had known. Teacher, but that is past perfect, of course, until here. Okay? I wish people would stop. Aha, stop is the verb. Perfect. Perfect. Now let's see. That is the activity number 1. Let's continue with activity number 2. Wish, if only, plus past perfect to talk about regrets about the past. Okay. This is number 1. And here, which one? What is number 1? No? Number 2, wish plus past to talk about regrets about the present. Simple past. Which is simple past? Could be here, no? Wish plus would plus base form to talk about other people's habits that annoy us. If only plus simple past to talk about regrets about the present. So let's see. If I say, I know people who wish they were millionaire, what number could be that? No, you use which, not wish. Aha, number 2. Letter A is number 2. Wish plus simple past. Okay, let's see. Wish plus simple past. Aha, it's right. To talk about regrets about the present. Yeah? Letter B. If only there were more hours in the day. If only, let's see. Here is if only. Plus simple past. If only plus past perfect. No, it's simple past. Aha, number 4. Letter B, number 4. If only plus simple past to talk about regrets about the present. Aha. Let's continue with letter C. I wish I had known. Oh, that is very easy. I had known past perfect. Past perfect. Past perfect. What is past perfect? Aha. Let me see. Here, no past perfect. Aha. Wish or could be if only plus past perfect to talk about regrets about the past. No? Here is the present, but now here says the past. And the last one, letter D, I wish people would stop. Would stop. No, if only, simple past. No, it's a no. This is not. Wish plus would plus base form to talk about other people habits that you annoy, so that you hate. No, that's the idea. So number 3 is letter D. So this is the rule. This is the key word that you need to know in order to do this topic. Okay? When you regret about the past, about the present, or maybe you don't like something from others, or you want to talk about the past. Okay? Now let's see. Order the words to make sentences with wish and if only. So in this case, you are like making wishes, okay, or ideas, no? In some cases, when you say, Oh, si yo solo pudiera hacer esto. Oh, desearía, ¿no? That's the idea. For example, letter A says, I was wish better budgeting. Okay, of course, I wish, no? I, I wish I was better at budgeting. I wish I was better at budgeting. Letter B. Lenora, her parents that to college had saved money wishes for her to go. Lenora wishes, okay, Lenora wishes Leonora wishes that her parents had saved money for her to go to college. Leonora wishes that her parents had saved money for her to go to college. Okay? I listen to the answers I telling you, okay? Letter C. Don't could you a new car wish you to buy a Ford? Don't you wish, excellent, don't you wish you could afford to buy a new car? Don't you wish you could afford to buy a new car? Letter D. If we're there to buy some way which stock to know only. If only there were some way to know which stock to buy. Very good. If only there were some way to know, sorry, which stock to buy. E. Why had do you accounting you studied wish? Why do you wish? It's a question and it's okay. Why do you wish you had studied accounting? Why do you wish? I repeat, you had studied accounting. Okay, ladies, remember the keyword is here, no? The keyword is here. Let's continue with number 3. Complete the sentences with the correct form of the verb in parentheses. My mom wishes I a better student so that I could. Remember, could. Could is what tense? Present or past? In this case, it's past. So what do I use? Simple past, to regret, or if only. A ver, ¿qué tenemos acá? What can you see? Wishes. I were, or I was. Could be both. Teacher, but it's I was. Okay. When we use this kind of sentences, wish, or if I only, could be were. There is no problem. Only in this one, okay? Okay, if I was a better student so that I could get into a good university. I'm so broke now. If only I a summer job. What tense? Present past. Had gotten. Present perfect. No, past perfect. I'm so broken. No, I'm so broken. Past perfect. To talk about regrets about the past, no? So I don't have money in this moment. I'm so broke because of that. I don't have money. I didn't invest my money in good things, no? If only I had gotten a summer job, no? Let's continue. Letter C. I don't care about saving money. I wish my parents bugging me about it. Ideas would quit. Okay, good quit. Hiromi wishes she never invested in her brother's restaurant. What a disaster. Hiromi wishes she had never invested. I wish they would call me all the time trying to sign me for a new credit card. Remember, I use would when something is annoying me, when I don't like it, the idea. Okay, boys, girls, you can go to Grammar Guide on page 88 if you want to improve your knowledge. Thank you very much. See you.